Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, it's my birthday today. We're out at Bob Straub State Park in Oregon, and it's pretty darn windy. I think we're right at the max of what our wind resistance is with the DJI Mini3. We're gonna put it up, get some quick footage of the beach, and then hang out at the beach for a while. So you ready? Let's go fly. So we're just gonna take a quick flight up from the parking lot and check things out. I've never been to this park before. Wow, look at that. Just beautiful here in Pacific City. Now this was a lot windier today than we had planned. I think we were right at the limit of the wind resistance for the DJI Mini3, like I mentioned before. But it did well. It's a nice overview of the nice green park. It's awesome that it's still so green here in the middle of summer. I was actually really surprised there weren't that many people here either. Just beautiful. Oregon is a beautiful, beautiful state. If you've never been here before and you like nature, come in the summertime and just enjoy. It's just like an outdoor wonderland. Come back another time and check out the hiking trails and the other areas of the park. It's a huge park. All right, so we walked out through the sand out to the beach, and it was really deep, really loose sand. At one point going up a hill, we were not making forward progress, but our legs were moving. It was so deep and so hard to get traction. But we made it out there, and there was like some harder packed sand down by the surf line. Look out in the distance out there, you can see horses. Just out there in the center of the frame, there's 3 horses with horseback riders. That rock out there makes it sure to look a lot more pretty, doesn't it? So going this direction down the beach in sport mode, we were hitting 35 or 40 miles an hour. Yeah, going this direction. Now coming the other direction, from right to left, or north to south, I guess, we were hitting 6 or 7 miles an hour. So I was getting all the high wind warnings on the drone, telling me that it's not going to navigate home on its own, and that I should bring it home. The trick is, don't go too far downwind, because then you're going to burn all of your battery getting back to home again. We don't want to do that. Just a beautiful surf. Whenever I fly over the ocean, I always tell myself next time I'm going to get closer to the water. And then when I'm there, I don't. Much slower this direction. There's Mary down there on the bottom left. Hi, Mary. And there I am. throttle and you're flying down the beach that way. Now Mary's walking over here and she sees something interesting after she sees the birds. She's like, look, there's a dead shark. I'm a little bit wobbly getting set up from the wind, but that is a dead shark on the beach. Sorry for the graphicness, but you don't see one of those every day on the beach here. So, kind of neat. Kind of gross, huh? Well, it's nature. All right, it's about time we start wrapping up. Again, we're right at the limit of the level 5 wind resistance, which I think is about 25 miles an hour. We're right up against that limit, I think. So, had a great time for my birthday today, out flying on the beach. Thank you so much for watching with me, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.